To the big story we are tracking, Law Minister Moily has spoken to NDTV exclusively on the Ruchika case, saying it's a case the government wants to make a model case, one that will act as a deterrent.
He's saying they're considering abetment of minor suicide. That's under Article 205, which means a maximum of a life sentence.
Well, it's the anniversary of Ruchika's death, and we have the Law Minister with us who is planning some key amendments to child abuse laws. So what do you have in mind?
It's a most tragic thing, and the cases have been investigated, no doubt, by the CBI. In fact, they have gone through the matter. In fact, the first case was when attempt was made to molest, that girl was molested in 1990.
That's right.
The case seems to have been built on that basis. And, but she died. And all that harassment made to her brother, to her, kicking her out from the school, all these circumstances led to her death. In fact, the right case is under Section 305. We under 305, it more than 306, abetment of suicide of child or insane person.
Right.
I was told that when she died, if she is below 18 years old, then the punishment is life, death or life.
Right.
I think this is an angle one has to look into it.
Right.
One thing is to appeal for a higher punishment under Section 354 IPPC.
Yes, sir.
That's a matter which can be appealed against.
That molestation charge.
But in the meanwhile,
right.
Maybe that National Women Commission,
Right, sir.
can move the Supreme Court.
Right.
We are all looking into this.
Okay. So that's very significant. This part that you're talking about, the one, it's called 305.
305.
So the 305, when she died, when she was harassed, she was only 14. When she died, I think, sir, she had become 18. Does that matter, sir?
In that case, it could be only under Section 305.
Right.
305. Even under 305, its punishment is 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah. So if she is minor, it could be under Section 305.
Where the thing could be life.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if she is not a minor, it could be under 306.
Okay.
These are all the options
Right.
now left to the...
We spoke with the CBI, sir. They said that they will do what the law ministry tells them, because in an appeal, the law ministry decides.
We have been talking to the CBI. I have been talking to the Solicitor General.
Yes.
But on the long run, we would like to see that a rigorous law is enforced, particularly on the sexual offences committed by people.
Right.
We are contemplating a law like the Sexual Offences Special Courts Act, Social Courts Bill. We are maybe that...
Which will fast track such investment?
Fast track, because it will be a special court. It can fast track within 6 months or within 1 year. The cases could be tried and conviction could be held and inquiry will be held. Now this is what we are trying to do that.
So, sir, do you see a fresh FIR in this or a reinvestigation? How?
These are all the options to be looked into. One is under Section 354, it can be an appeal for a higher punishment. Another could be under Section 306 or 305, depending upon her age, which can have a fresh investigation on this matter.
A fresh FIR.
Yeah.
So if it...
Tuba.com